In this video, I am going to show easy way to make square of any large number by base and range rule. Okay. Now first I am going to draw a rule. Okay. It is the base. Okay. It is the base. Then there will be range, and there will be trick. Okay. The base, when the base will be 50, the range of the number will be 33 to 74. Okay. And the trick will be 25 plus minus difference of the number and base into 1. I will explain it. Okay. Now first I am writing this. Okay. The base is 50 and the range is 33 to 74, and the trick is 25 plus minus difference of the number and the base into 1. Now then the base is 100 and the range will be 76 to 124. Okay. And the trick will be 10 square, that will be 100 plus minus same sayings. Okay, the difference of the number and the base into 2. And the third one, it will be same way. Third one, this base will be 150 and the range will be, it was 124, it should be 126. Okay, 126 to 174. And here it will be from 15 square will be 225 plus minus same difference of the number and the base into 3. Then it will be 200. Difference is 50, 100, 150, 200, and the range will be 176 to 224. And trick will be 20 square, that will be 400, and plus minus the same, the difference of the number and the base into 4. Okay. And then we get 250 and the range will be 226 to 274, and the trick will be 25 into 25 square, that will be 625 plus minus difference of the number and the base into 5. And thus the same way the next base will be 300 and the range will be 276 to 324, and it will be 30 square, that will be 900, and plus minus the difference between the base and the number into 6. And same way it will be going on. Okay, this is a basic rule. Now take the first number. So the rule is first rule is uh, find the range of the number. First rule is find the range of this number. Okay, this one. Find the range of the number. Second rule is find the difference. Find the difference. Find the difference between the number and base. Okay, find the difference between number and base. And the third rule is make square of the difference. Make square of the difference, which you get in rule 2. Okay, make square of the difference which you get in rule 2. That is this difference. Find the difference between the number and the base, and then make square of the difference which you get in rule 2. That is this one. Okay, and put it in the right side. In the right side. Okay, and the third rule and the fourth and the last rule is go to the trick. Okay, and follow it. Okay, go to the trick and follow it. Okay, now explanation. Okay, example. Let the number is 52. I want to make it square. Okay, now first the number is 52. From rule 1, find the range of the number. I have taken 52. Now first find the range. The range is 33 to 74. 52 is between this range. Okay, now this is the first rule. First rule was find the range of the number. We have got the range is 33 to 74. Okay, second rule, find the difference between the number and the base. Okay, so second rule, according to second rule, then number is 52 and the base is 50. Okay, second rule is find the difference between the number and the base. So the number is 52 and the base is 50, so the difference is 2. Okay, third rule, sorry, 2. Third rule is make square of the difference which you get in rule 2 and put it in the right side. Okay, according to rule 3, we have got the difference is 2. So the 2 square will be 04. Always take 2 digit. Okay, 04. Okay, and the fourth rule is go to the trick and follow it. So if you go to the trick in the range 33 to 74, the trick is 25 plus minus difference of the number and base into 1. That should be 25. So it should be 25 plus minus difference of the number and the base, that is 2, and then plus and then into 1 that should be 25 plus minus 2. Okay, but here it should be only plus 2. It should be 27. It should be 27 because if the number is greater than the base, then we take plus sign, and if the number is smaller than the base, then we take the minus sign. Okay, here the number is 52, which is greater than the base, so we should take the plus sign. But if the number is smaller than the base, then you should take the minus sign. Okay, so it should be 27. Okay, so the 52 square should be first 27, then 04. 27, then 04. This is the answer. Hope you have understood. The first rule is find the range of the number. I have found that the number 52 is in between the range 33 to 74. Okay, there is a first range. Okay, then number 2, find the difference between the number and the base. So the base was 50 and the number is 52, so the difference is 2. Okay, and the third rule is make square of the difference which you get in rule 2 and put it in the right side. So as the difference was 2, we have make 2 square, that is 04, only 2 digit 04. And the final rule, the fourth rule, was go to the trick and follow it. And trick was that 25 plus minus difference of the number and the base into 1. Difference of the number and the base, it was 2. Okay, difference of the number and the base, it was 2, and it was multiplied by 1, then we got 27. We have taken plus sign because the number was greater than the base. Okay, if the base is smaller, then we take plus sign. If the base is greater than the number, then we take minus sign. Very simple. So the square of this should be 27, then 04. Okay, now take another example. A three digit number. Now take the number is 137. Okay, you want to make it square. Okay, first find the range 137. It is find in the range 137, that should be 126 to 174, that should be in this range. Okay, 137 is in this range. 150 is the base, 150 is the base, and the range is 126 to 174, and it is 225. Okay, so according to first rule, the first rule was find the range of the number. We have found it. Second rule was find the difference between the number and the base. Okay, here the number is 137 and the base is 150. So the difference is 150 minus 137. Difference is only 13. Okay, but here the number is less than the base. Okay, here 137 is less than 150. So from this trick you should use the minus sign. Okay, as 137 is less than 150. Okay, and according to third rule, the third rule was make square of the difference which you get in rule 2. Okay, so you have got the difference is 13. The 13 square is 169. You will take only 69 and 1 will be in hand. 1 in hand. 1 will be in hand. And then according to fourth trick, follow the trick. The trick is 225. The trick is 225 plus minus the difference of the base and the number into 3. Okay, so it should be 225, and we use minus as 137 was less than 150. So here it should be 225 minus then the difference into 3. Difference was 13 into 3. That should be 225 minus 39. That should be 9 and 5. 4 6 8 1 186. Okay, so it is 186, and here it was 1 in hand. Here 1 should be added. Okay, here equal to sign should not be used. 1 was in hand and it should be 187. Okay, so the answer should be, so 137 square should be, first one would be 187, then 69. It should be 187 69. Okay, hope you have understood. So the process is very clear. First rule is that find the range of the number. It was 137. We have found the range. The range was this one, 150, 126 to 174. Within this range, the number 137 was present. And the second rule, find the difference between the number and the base. We have found the difference between the number and the base. That was 150 minus 137. That was only 13. According to third rule, make square of the difference which you got in the rule 2. That is 13 square. That is 169. And from there we will take only 69, only 2 digits, and one will be in hand. Okay, and the fourth rule was according to trick, that is 25 plus minus difference into 3, and we use here minus sign because the number is less than 150, so we take here minus the difference into 3, that will be 186, and this one was in hand, it was added here, and we get 187. So the answer is 187, and from this one 69, 187, 69. Hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching.